मैं उड़ना चाहती हूँ, मैं दौड़ना चाहती हूँ, मैं गिरना भी चाहती हूँ, मैं दोस्तों के साथ पार्टी करना चाहती हूँ, मैं इलेक्शन में खड़ा होकर लीडर बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं दोस्तों के साथ गांजा भी फूकना चाहती हूँ, मैं सब कुछ चाहती हूँ, मैं बहुत ज्यादा सोशल होना चाहती हूँ, पर मैं हो नहीं सकती क्योंकि आई हैव सोशल एंजाइटी. यस, दिस इज अ रियली सीरियस प्रॉब्लम दैट many people faced in everyday life, that I have social anxiety. मैं बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हूँ पर मैं कर नहीं सकती. I can't do this because I have social anxiety. मैं जब भी करने की कोशिश करती हूँ I become, anxiety attacks me. Yeah, this is a serious problem. And ये जो problem है इसको हम कैसे cope up कर सकते हैं? How we can destroy our, this anxiety that happens when we start to, be in a social gathering. Okay, so first what you can do, you can start to talk with people outside of the party or outside of the gang. Suppose you have to go to a party, suppose you have to go to, any situation, or in your college group, start to interact with people who are outside of that place. Like you can talk to your cab driver, you can talk to any shopkeeper, you can talk to any, random stranger. You can at least spark a smile with someone when you are walking through a road. इससे क्या होता है, इससे ये आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा बूस्ट हो जाते हैं. इफ दैट पर्सन इंटरेक्ट्स विथ यू, ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ गुड पार्ट, क्योंकि आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो बूस्ट होते हैं. यू नाउ नो दैट यू कैन रियली टॉक विथ अदर पीपल. And when that person or all those people, if they do not really talk back, or if they do not really interact with you, ये भी एक तरह से पॉजिटिव चीज है. वो है कि ये जो रिजेक्शन है, ये रिजेक्शन से आपको आदत हो जाते हैं, रिजेक्ट होना आदत हो जाते हैं. एंड इट इज रियली अ ग्रेट पार्ट, क्योंकि आप ना बहुत ज्यादा यू डू नॉट रियली गेट sentimental when someone rejects you, someone does not really interact with you. हम एक्चुअली क्या सोचते हैं, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ सोशल साइकोलॉजी दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पॉटलाइट इफेक्ट. हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि एवरीबॉडी इन दिस प्लैनेट, everybody around us is thinking about us. We think that we are in the spotlight wherever we go, but the thing is that no, it is not like that. Nobody cares about you. Don't get me wrong, everybody cares about you. Nobody actually thinks about you that much, because हम सब इंसान खुद के अंदर बिजी होते हैं, हम सब इंसान खुद के बारे में सोचते हैं. And most of the time we think about ourselves. Okay, it is your thought. You think that you are going to be embarrassed if you do it. You are going to be embarrassed if you can't really speak properly. You are going to be embarrassed. Other people is going to laugh at you if you are not really talk well, or if you are not really behave well. It is all in your mind, trust me. So first point, that start to interact with people whom you meet outside of that place or that party or that college or that group. Okay, outside people. Second, that start to build a conversation with people who are less intimidating. That means that obviously in every group or in every party, in social gathering, there are some people who are going to be really intimidating. They are going to be really grandiose and show off, and they have a lot of power. They are going to say to the people that I am this, I am that. And yeah, this kind of people exist in every category of life. In every place you go, in every group, in every social gathering, there are going to be this kind of people a lot. Okay, but आपको क्या करना है, you have to talk with people who are less intimidating, who are there just like you, who are not really the star of the show. You can really interact with them, you can build a conversation with them, you can talk with them, because they are easy to talk. If you start to talk with them, eventually you would see that you are going to able to talk with other people. Don't get intimidated by the people who are really grandiose and who are showing off their skill and powers and all those stuffs. Don't be intimidated by their power, because you have so many stuff in yourself to show. You have so many capability and potential in yourself that you can portray to other people. If you do not want that, that is completely okay. If you portray that, that is also completely okay. But what you have to do, you have to just be social, and for that you can really build a conversation with someone who is less intimidating, who is just like you, random people. इससे क्या होता है, कॉन्फिडेंट लेवल जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा बूस्ट होते हैं. कॉन्फिडेंट लेवल की confidence is something that is lacking in us, and that is the thing that is giving us this much of insecurities and anxiety and not depression really, but yeah, anxiety and insecurities तो बहुत ज्यादा देते हैं ये कॉन्फिडेंट नाम की एक चीज जो भाई साहब जो है वो. तो या दिस इज टुडेज वीडियो. एंड सच बताऊं तो आई ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ social anxiety, I must say, and I do this pretty much in every place. It works great, trust me. So everyone, stay happy, stay healthy, stay very, very positive, and share this video with your friend whom you think that has social anxiety. So I love you.